Dear students, next coming to structure of a polynucleotide chain. So dear students, DNA and RNA is polymer of nucleotides. Nucleic acids are of two types, that is DNA and RNA. One means deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid. These are polymer of nucleotides. These are polymer of nucleotides. So these are made up of several thousands of nucleotides. Many nucleotides are present in their DNA molecule and RNA molecule. Next one here, nucleotides act as basic structural units of nucleic acids. Nucleotides. These are nucleotides. So these nucleotides are act as basic structural units of nucleic acids. Next coming to a group of nucleotides form a gene. A group of nucleotides form a gene. Next coming to a nucleotide has three components. A nucleotide has three components, namely first one a nitrogen base, second one a pentose sugar, third one phosphoric acid or phosphate group. In this DNA will be containing three components of nucleotides, that is nitrogen bases. These are nitrogen bases is surrounded by pentose sugar and phosphate. So adenine and thymine, cytosine, guanine, thymine and adenine, cytosine and guanine. These are nitrogen bases. The symbols for adenine A, thymine for T, cytosine for C, guanine for G, and sugar S. This is a pentose sugar. This is a DNA, that is deoxyribose sugar. And sugar is also short form S. And P, that is phosphoric acid or phosphate group. Phosphoric acid or phosphate group. So these are three components. These are three nucleotide components are present in DNA and RNA. A nucleotide has three components. A nucleotide has three components, namely a nitrogen base, a pentose sugar and phosphoric acid or phosphate group. By means a nitrogen base along with sugar and phosphoric acid, that is nucleotide. Okay now, a nitrogen base along with sugar and phosphate group or phosphoric acid. Okay now, next coming to nitrogen bases are of two types. So there are two types of nitrogen bases. First nitrogen base are here purines, second nitrogen bases are here pyrimidines. Okay now, a nucleotide has three components, that is a nitrogen base, a pentose sugar and phosphoric acid. Next one, nitrogen bases are of two types. How many types of nitrogen bases in DNA and RNA? So the nitrogen bases are of two types. They are namely, first nitrogen base are here purines, second nitrogen bases are here pyrimidines. Next coming to purines are again two types. Don't confuse are here. A nucleotide containing three components, that is a nitrogen base, a pentose sugar and phosphoric acid or phosphate group. Next one here, there are two types of nitrogen bases. They are namely first nitrogen base purine, second nitrogen base pyrimidines. Next one, purines are of two types. They are namely adenine and guanine. Adenine and guanine. There are two types of purines. They are namely first purine, adenine, second purine, guanine. So these two purines are same in DNA and RNA. There is no differentiation in purines. are present in their nucleic acids of DNA and RNA. Next, coming to, there are three types of pyrimidines in DNA and RNA. Pyrimids are of three types in DNA and RNA. Mainly DNA pyrimids are here thymine and cytosine. DNA pyrimids are here thymine and cytosine. RNA pyrimids are here cytosine and uracil. Cytosine and uracil. By means thymine, cytosine pyrimidine is present DNA, cytosine, uracil pyrimidine is present RNA. Why? Because cytosine is constant in DNA and RNA, but only change in thymine and uracil. So thymine is present in DNA, absent in RNA, but uracil is present RNA, absent in DNA. By means DNA is replaced by uracil pyrimidine in RNA. Uracil pyrimidine in RNA. Okay now. So these are purines and pyrimidines. So these purines and pyrimidines is always oppositely. First purine opposite to first pyrimidine. Second purine is opposite to second pyrimidine. That is first purine adenine. So first pyrimidine thymine. Okay now. So adenine is opposite to thymine, and second purine, that is guanine. And second pyrimidine, that is cytosine. Why? Because this is a double helix model of DNA. In this double helix model of DNA, only present in adenine, guanine purines and thymine and cytosine pyrimidines. But in RNA, thymine is replaced by uracil. In both nucleic acids, that is DNA and RNA, every purine is always opposite to pyrimidine. By means first purine is opposite to first pyrimidine, second purine is opposite to second pyrimidine, and involving to the some chemical bonds, that is hydrogen bonds, involvement of 2 hydrogen bonds or 3 hydrogen bonds. For example, adenine between the thymine, so involved 2 hydrogen bonds. Cytosine between the guanine, involved 3 hydrogen bonds. Okay now. So this is a one nitrogen base pair, this is another nitrogen base pair. The between of the adenine and thymine with 2 hydrogen bonds, the between of the cytosine and guanine with 3 hydrogen bonds. So these are always arranged, the ratio would be 1:1. Next, coming to, a nitrogen base is linked to a phosphate group through N-glycosidic linkage and form into a nucleoside. This is a nucleotide and a nucleoside. A nucleotide means a nitrogen base along with okay now, sugar and phosphate group, that is nucleotide. But here nucleoside. So nucleoside only a nitrogen base is linked to a phosphate group. A nitrogen base is linked to a direct phosphate group, not involved pentose sugar. So that is nucleoside. So in this type of a form of N-glycosidic linkase to form a nucleoside. In DNA and RNA would be appeared mainly 2 phenomena. First one here nucleotide, second one here nucleoside. Nucleotide means a nitrogen bases phosphate group, only phosphate group. A nitrogen base is linked to a phosphate group through N-glycosidic linkage, that is nitrogen glycosidic linkage. So, and form into a nucleoside. Okay, now a nitrogen base is linked to a phosphate group through N-glycosidic linkage and form into a nucleoside. So, this is a nucleotide and a nucleoside. Nucleotide involved nitrogen base, pentose sugar and phosphate group, but nucleoside involved only two components, that is nitrogen base and phosphate group. Nitrogen base and phosphate group. Nucleotides are involved three components. Nucleoside are involved two components. So nucleoside mainly absent in pentose sugar. So dear students, there are four types of nucleosides are present in DNA. That is adenosine, guanosine, and as well as cytosine and thymidine. Cytosine and thymidine. So these are the DNA nucleosides. And four types of nucleosides in RNA. Four types of nucleosides in RNA. That is adenosine, guanosine, cytosine. Adenosine, guanosine, cytosine, and uracilin. So these are four types of nucleosides in RNA. Okay, now there are four types of nucleosides in DNA and four types of nucleosides in RNA. How to formation of an glycosidic bond internally? To be DNA either RNA. To be DNA either RNA. So this is internally to be formation of in DNA and RNA, that would be clearly shown of chemical structure. So N glycosidic bond is formed between ninth position. N glycosidic, nitrogen, N means nitrogen. Nitrogen glycosidic bond. Nitrogen glycosidic bond is formed between ninth position, where nitrogen is present double ringed molecules of purines. Double ringed molecules of purines and first carbon of sugar molecules. Dear students, in generally the purines and pyrimidines both are heterocyclic compounds, but purines are that is adenine and guanine, both are heterocyclic and double ringlet molecules. Double ringlet molecules with carbon nitrogen rings. With carbon nitrogen rings. And in generally pyrimids are heterocyclic and singlet molecules. Single ringlet molecules, and each one with carbon nitrogen ring. That is the difference between purines and pyrimidines. Okay, now nitrogen bases are of two types, that is purines and pyrimidines. First one here, purines. Purines is generally heterocyclic and double ringlet molecules with carbon nitrogen rings, that is CN rings. And pyrimidines in generally heterocyclic and single ringlet molecules, and each one with CN rings, that is carbon nitrogen rings. But here N glycosidic bond is formed between ninth position, where nitrogen is present double ringlet molecules of purines. Nitrogen is present double ringlet molecules of purines, either adenine, guanine, and first carbon of sugar molecules. This is some about the structure of a polynucleotide chain. Okay, now thank you.